Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you my winter fashion essentials. So I've did a little shopping in my own closet and compiled some awesome stuff that I think is essential to a good winter wardrobe and stuff that you can mix and match with everything in your closet. Just some good staples to really, I don't know, elevate your wardrobe, make you a little like more fashionable, but also super, super warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see what I think is essential for winter, then please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, this is not fashion, but I did want to talk about these because like I didn't know where else to mention them and I love them so much. I'm actually wearing the pants, but this is a star like pajama set from Target that's from the Exhilaration brand. I really am wearing the pants, like, hello, yes I am. So I'm wearing the set. It comes in like a two-piece set. It was like $15 from Target. It's the softest material ever. It reminds me of like Wild Fox or even like the Splendid line with We Wore What. Is that what it's called? If you guys have seen that, a lot of stuff that like Something Navy, if you follow her on Instagram, wears from like Bandier, that's like $80. And this is so cute. I'm loving this set. And the pants are like little joggers. Oh my God, I just love it. They're so comfortable. First things first is the sweater dress. So I love sweater dresses and it wasn't always something I was into, but now I'm so into it. There's no going back. I love them. This one right here is from TopShop. I got it from Nordstrom. It has this really, really cute like balloon sleeve detail and just like literally a potato sack, but I love it. You can belt it. You can wear it with over the knee boots. You can wear it with tights and heels. You could wear it with like sneakers if you wanted, if it's a little warmer where you are. You can do so much with these little booties. They're super warm, super comfortable, and I think they're really fashion forward. Like you just throw this on with a pair of over the knee boots, a cute little jacket and a hat, and you are like next level fashion forward. But it's plain, so you can throw on different scarves, you can accessorize it differently, but you can get a ton of looks out of something like this. Next, I want to talk about like a full-on moment that I'm having with faux fur. So I love faux fur. I have a ton of faux fur jackets. I even have a leather jacket with like a faux fur detail collar. I have like a biker jacket that I showed in a recent video. I have a ton of different options and I just love the whole look that you can pull together. But this is like a must-have for me, and if you don't have a faux fur jacket, this one is by the brand Steve Madden. It is a faux leopard jacket. Now to me, leopard is a neutral. Like I wear leopard with so many things and I get so much use out of this coat, you guys. So to try not to bore you, they sell this at Target. They sell these like a ton of places, so you don't need to spend a ton of money. I know Nordstrom has some. I'm sure you could get some at like Macy's, Lord & Taylor. Free People had one last year. I don't know if they still do, but you can hit any price point you want. But this one is from Nordstrom from Steve Madden. So I'll give you like 3 outfits without boring you guys to tears. So the first thing I would wear is like all black, a pair of booties, and throw this on, which is just so like stunning and like chic and just really cool. Next, for like the rocker girl, a little bit different, like a band tee of any kind, some ripped up like light wash denim, throw this on, a pair of like white booties or like cool booties, a red lip, do your hair, and I just think so cute. Or even like throw your hair in a messy bun and throw this on over it, and it's such a cute look. And then the last way I would wear this is like super casual, like throw on like a really cute gray sweater, like a cozy sweater, this on with a pair of jeans and just a pair of black booties, or even some really cute like trendy looking sneakers, like the Adidas sneakers if you have those, or I mentioned some Dolce Vita ones that I'm loving in my last video. I'll link that down below in a recent video. Just different things like that I think you could throw on with these and like really, really elevate the look. Sticking with the faux fur, if you don't want to buy a whole jacket, this faux fur stole is from Target. I talked about this in my affordable clothing haul, but this is super cute to just throw on over like a sweater that you may already have, or just like a black winter coat, and then it kind of looks like you have the fur detail built in, but really it's just this $30 stole. So it's a super affordable way to elevate an outfit, and it's really, really warm. So like if you live somewhere freezing and like this is kind of popping out of your jacket, I just think it's so cute. Really, really cool for winter and like super on trend. And I love the colors of this because it's like gray and brown, so you can wear this with anything. So I wasn't going to go into like a million sweaters because obviously sweaters are like so on point, but I'm loving these like little mock turtleneck ones. This one is from H&M. It's super warm and cozy. I love the charcoal gray, but get yourself some cozy sweaters and know that you can do it without breaking the bank. I definitely have some nice ones in my collection, and I have a ton from Target, a ton from H&M, and a mix from all different places, and I don't favor any of my more pricey ones over my not pricey ones, if that makes any sense. So I really, really, really love this. Now this is also like a cardigan looking sweater, which I'm loving, but I'm really really talking about this mainly for the ruffle details. Ruffle details are so on trend right now, and I love this one. This one is from TopShop. It's like a really light lilac color, like a grayish lilac, but this is so cute with just like all black. You throw this over and this like little detail gives you so much. Or again, like a white tee, some jeans, white booties, brown, black, like anything goes with this. But the ruffle detailing is really like what is on trend, and I'm loving. A summer trend was definitely like the off the shoulder like shirts, and that's been going on for a little while, but now I'm seeing a ton of these like off the shoulder sweaters. I wore this in my giveaway video. This one is from H&M. I talked about this also in my affordable clothing haul, but I just ordered 2 more from the Something Navy collection at Nordstrom. I like couldn't help myself. I'm loving this because when you go out in the winter, like you don't want to be freezing cold, so this is a good way to like still look fun and cool and not be in like a bulky sweater when you go out, but still stay really, really warm. And I just love these. I think they're so pretty. Next thing I'm loving is like this athleisure trend kind of turned winter, and I got this sweatshirt from Target. It's by the brand A New Day, and it's just this plain like hooded sweatshirt, which is like, I got in a size large to like really wear it baggy, which you might be like, okay, what is so cool about that? But it has these really, really cool like, how do I show you? Like ruched detailing sleeves, and they're like balloon sleeves and so cute. So like it actually looks like a sweater, not just like a plain sweatshirt. And I love this color for the season. I think red is so on trend right now. You knew I was going to talk about hats. You knew it. Okay, so the first one, I've talked about this one before, but this is an LA hat that I got from Nordstrom. I love the gray and black. It's perfect for winter. Throw this on with like a big, like that H&M sweater and a pair of jeans, and I just think you are like so good to go. One of my favorite things to do is to like do my makeup and not do my hair and throw on a hat and just be kind of like casual but still tried a little bit. And so I love this for that option. Obviously some beanies. This one I picked up in the dollar section of Target like a year and a half ago, but it's still one of my favorites. It has this adorable like faux fur pom-pom, and it's like the perfect color. Like it's just so good. And I love wearing like lighter hats since I have such dark hair. I love the contrast. So if you have lighter hair than me, then I would love like some black hats or things like that. And then, oh my god, hat hair. And then 2 like more stylish type hats. I love wearing like big floppy hats in the winter. I think they're so cute. I don't know. They're not really built for warmth, obviously, but these 2 are both from Target. I love like just throwing this on like with an all black outfit. It kind of like just does something to the outfit, elevates you a little. Like these would be so cute with like the sweater dresses I mentioned earlier. And yeah, I just love that look. Okay. Hat hair. Okay, this next purchase is like a must-have booty purchase for me. This is a leopard booty. This one is from Steve Madden. They are called, Editor-L leopard booty. Whoops. Leopard booty. So I got these from the Steve Madden website, and they were actually having a really big sale, so I only paid like $60 for them, and they're normally like $150. And this to me is like the ultimate winter must-have. So you can do a million and one things with this. I'm gonna wear these on Christmas. The outfit that I mentioned will be the red off-the-shoulder sweater, pair of jeans, this, and a red lip, and I just think that's so cute. But the same way that I kind of mentioned that you could wear the leopard coat, you can wear this, like a camel sweater, jeans, throw this on, you can dress it up, you can like wear it with like a nice black sweater dress, or even like a black like shift dress and be a little bit dressier, or you can really be casual and like, again, like a band tee or a graphic tee of any kind, throw this on and you are good to go. And then the last thing is a little bit more of a practical purchase for shoes. This is my Sorrel waterproof booties. So boots, they're not booties. I love the faux fur detail. I got them in this like grayish taupe color with the black, mainly because this part was brown and then this part was black and this was gray. So I figured I could wear it with absolutely everything. But I have seen some of the new colors that they came out this year, like camel. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Or even like all black with the fur, I feel like would be really cute. But these have been like the best purchase ever. I wear them so frequently. It snowed. I think I've mentioned this. Did I mention this? 3 times this week. So I know I'm going to be getting my use out of these, and they keep you so warm and they're so nice, and you can snap the fur off so that you can wash them or clean them, or if it's really, really bad out and you don't want to damage the fur, you can snap off the fur. So that's really, really nice as well. Okay, so that is it for my winter fashion essentials. I hope that that gives you some inspiration into some outfits that you can create with stuff that you may already have, with throwing in a couple extra things this season. I'm a type of person that lives for basics, and throwing in some fun accessories, cool like hats, a couple funky sweaters, and then you can create an entire wardrobe as long as you have collected some pieces that can go with other stuff, rather than like a super amazing one sweater that's so crazy detailed that everyone's going to remember that you've worn it over and over and over again. So that's the way that I kind of take my approach for style. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you've been loving this winter season in the comments down below so that I can go check it out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!